Everyone knows about fundamental particles. The atoms of all the elements, they have these fundamental particles. In today's video, we are going to solve a numerical on these fundamental particles. Even though the concept is very easy and basic, but it involves lot of skills to solve this particular numerical. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Visala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In today's video, let us solve a numerical related to fundamental particles from the chapter Atomic Structure. Here is the question. An ion with mass number 56 contains 3 units of positive charge and 30.4% more neutrons than electrons. We need to find out the symbol of this ion. Before solving this, let me revise you the basic terms involved here. We know what is atomic number, isn't it? Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, or this is nothing but equal to the number of electrons revolving round the nucleus of the atom. So in neutral atoms, the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Then what is mass number? Mass number is nothing but the sum of protons and the number of neutrons. As these are the particles present inside the nucleus, we also call them as nucleons. See, the total number of nucleons is nothing but the mass numbers. So if we need number of electrons, we get it from atomic number. Number of protons also we get from atomic number. And to get the number of neutrons, rearrange this one. Number of neutrons, this is equal to mass number, that is A, minus number of protons. Number of protons is nothing but atomic number given by Z. So mass number is represented by capital A and atomic number is represented by Z. That's all. This basic concept is required to solve the numerical, and this involves lot of mathematical part rather than chemistry concept. Let's see how to solve this. It is given that mass number is equal to 56. It is given that mass number is equal to 56, means it is the sum of number of neutron and number of proton, isn't it? Now let us take the symbol of the element as equal to X, and it is mentioned here that this particular element carries plus 3 charge. So we will write it as X3 plus. Then let us consider that the number of electrons present in this X3 plus is as equal to Y. Therefore, the number of electrons in the original atom of the element, that is X, it is equal to Y plus 3, isn't it? These two are the important lines. If you understand this, remaining numerical is very easy. And the calculation is also easy if you solve the numerical in the same pattern which I do. Here in plus 3 state, the number of electrons we took it as Y. In the original atom of the element, there will be 3 more electrons. So that is the reason why I had written it as Y plus 3. And this is nothing but number of protons, isn't it? Because number of electrons in the neutral atom is equal to number of protons, and that itself is the atomic number. And it is also given that the number of neutrons is equal to 30.4% more than electrons. It means जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेगा उतना तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, प्लस एडिशनली देयर विल बी 30.4% of the Y value. So this becomes y plus 0.304y, isn't it? And since we have the number of neutrons plus number of protons as equal to 56, substitute these values here. So in place of number of neutrons, I write it as y plus 0.304y, and in place of protons, I will write it as y plus 3. I just simply substituted these terms in this one. So this is equal to 56. So this becomes 2.304y, and you bring this 3 to the other side. 56 minus 3 is 53, and y is equal to 53 divided by 2.304, and you solve it, you get the value as equal to 23. What is 23? This is nothing but equal to y. And what is that y? Y is nothing but the number of electrons in X3 plus. So what will be the number of electrons? What will be the number of electrons in the neutral atom? This is nothing but y plus 3. So this is 23 plus 3. This is 26, which is our atomic number. And what is the element with atomic number 26? This is iron, isn't it? So the symbol of the element becomes Fe with plus 3 charge and atomic number 26 and mass number 56. So is it clear? You need to understand this particular point clearly. It is given that the charge on the given species is plus 3 and the number of neutrons are 30.4% more than that of the electrons. And this is NCERT numerical, and in NCERT 3 to 4 similar numericals are there. That is the reason why this numerical is selected for the video. And for practice, you can solve one more numerical. Here it is. An ion with mass number 37 possess 1 unit negative charge. The calculation will not be same as that of the previous one, because previously it was given as positive charge and here it is negative charge. The ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electrons. You need to find out the symbol of the ion. So after solving, post your answer in the comment box. I will check whether it is correct or wrong. Till then, keep studying and wait for the next video. Thank you very much.